Hi everyone. Columns Chrome extension got a big update. We employ AI to analyze anything you selected on the web. Let's take a look at demo. So I am browsing, let's say, Twitter, and I'm seeing this kind of text they posted here, and I really want to, visualize them in a chart. So what you do is you basically just select the whole text, right? You select everything and you just like click. As you can see, there's a button. It's called a Magic Vision. Click Magic Vision. We'll be trying to using the AI to analyze the text and bring them back with a preview of visualization in a chart. You can further to using this link to go to the editor to save it, style it, or using different chart type, for example, like a world map to represent this. Hope you like it. Basically, you can just select any text on the web while you're browsing, the web browser, and visualize them into a graph. So, for example, I can select, this text just as one more example, and I can just like visualize them. As you can see, since there's no obvious like number to extract, we are presenting with a word count, like word cloud kind of graph for you. Thank you. Hope you like it. Give it a try. It's available on Chrome extension web store. Thank you.